Music. Want to check your credit score easily and for free? This video reviews Bankrate's credit score tool. Links are below. We'll cover its key features, who it's best for, and if it's worth your time. Bankrate provides free access to your VantageScore 3.0, a common credit scoring model. No need to be a customer, anyone can use it for a quick credit health check without paid subscriptions. The tool's core feature is your VantageScore 3.0, updated every 2 weeks. Track your score's progress and see a clear breakdown of the 5 key factors: payment history, credit utilization, credit history length, credit mix, and recent inquiries. Identify areas for improvement easily. Bankrate also offers valuable credit education resources, including articles and tips to boost your score, perfect for beginners or those rebuilding credit. Uniquely, the tool monitors your score, sending alerts about changes to keep you informed. It also connects you with relevant financial products, like credit cards and loans, with personalized recommendations. Overall, Bankrate's credit score tool is a solid free option for simple credit tracking, improvement insights, and informed financial decisions. Start now using the links below.